Good morning, my dear kids. How are you all? Yes, I hope you all are fine. So it's a general knowledge class. It's a funny class. So it's a time to test your general knowledge. Okay, ma? So okay, shall we move into the class? Yes. So today take page number 27. Take fast, children. Take your textbook, eraser, pencils, everything. Take. Hurry up. Okay, ma. So the chapter is the clothes we wear. So people in India wear many different types of clothes. So what's the first question? So we have to say what each of these is called, and also this is an oral. Just oral, no need to write. Okay, it's a oral. So we have to mention the names of these dresses. So what's the first one? What's this? T-shirt. Children, you no need to write, just I am writing for the understanding. Okay, ma'am? So first one is T-shirt. First one is T-shirt. Second one is, this is the uniform, right? UNIFORM, uniform. This one says sari, correct? Says sari. So SARI, sari. And the fourth one is, what is this? Yes, this is the skirt. It will be worn by ladies, correct, ma? So skirt, SKIRT, skirt. And this one is jacket, JACKET, jacket. And this is, what type of dress it is? Yes, this is shorts. What's the spelling of shorts? SHORTS, shorts. And what is the variety? What's the name of this dress? Dhoti, DHOTI, dhoti. And this one is sweater, SWEATER, sweater. This one is salwar kameez. The full name is salwar KAMEEZ. So these are the names of these dresses. No need to write, just it's a oral exercise. Okay, ma'am? And see the next question. Point out which of these clothes are worn by. So first it's men only. So we have to select the dresses which are wearing by the men. So T-shirt, whether it was T-shirt means, yeah, it will be worn by both men and women. So we can reject that. Uniform, no. Sari, no. Skirt, no. Jacket, it's not only for men purpose, so we can reject it. Shorts also it will worn by both. And then dhoti. So dhoti means it will be wearing by men. So dhoti, it will be wearing by men. Sweater also, it was not, it is both, right? And then salwar, ladies, women. So men means only dhoti. See, women cloth means sari, skirt, and then one more, salwar. Okay, ma? So women means sari. The old people and all, they will be wearing sari, skirt, and then salwar. Salwar means commonly it's a chudidar. Okay, ma? Then children, what are the dress? Every dress they will be wearing except this dhoti and this sari. So children, they will be wearing both T-shirts, uniforms, skirts, jacket, shorts, then sweater, salwar. Except this dhoti and this sari, they will be wearing. Children. People in winter time they will be wearing this jacket and the sweater in order to reduce the cool. In winter time, the climate will be very cool. So they will be wearing this jacket and sweater. And then people in summer also, they can wear all type of dress except this jacket and sweater, because it will be wearing in winter season. So except these two people, they can wear any type of dress in summer. Both men and women. T-shirt, both men and women, they can wear. Uniform, they can wear. Jacket, sweater, they can wear. Okay ma? Then this shorts also, they can wear both. So, okay ma? So first T-shirt, this is uniform, saree, skirt, jacket, shorts, dhoti, sweater, and then salwar kameez. Okay children, shall we move to the next page? So we have to name this. From here options they have given, so we have to name. So what is this first one? What's the name of this game? Name of the sport? Cricket, right? So B, we can choose B, because in the B option only cricket they have given. B, cricket. So he is the batsman, he is the bowler, he is throwing the ball and he is trying to bat, right? And he is the umpire. Okay ma, so this is cricket. Why I have put here B? Because the option B is correct. So I have mentioned the option B here. What is this? Hockey. They are playing hockey, right? They are playing hockey. So hockey means D. Okay. What is this? So what they are playing? They are playing tennis. Correct ma? They are playing tennis. See, tennis bat, ball. So they are playing tennis. And what is this? What is this ball? What's the name of this ball? Yes, in which sport the ball is used? For football, right? They are kicking and they are running here and there. So this is the football. And here ma, what they are doing? This is basketball, right? The ball and here the basket. They have to throw the ball in this basket. So what is this? It's an indoor stadium. So what's the name of the sport? Yes, basketball. And then here, what she is playing? Badminton, right? She is playing the badminton. She is playing badminton, correct ma? Yes. So what's this? What's the name of this sport? Already I have explained. Cricket. And this one, hockey. This one, tennis. Fourth one, football. Fifth one, basketball. And then finally, badminton. Okay children? So copy this everything in your textbook. Okay ma? So today we completed 2 pages. Complete the 2 pages. Next week we can see the remaining portions. Okay? So take care, stay home, stay safe. Bye bye children. Miss you all. Bye bye.